We should not follow dreams, we should hunt goals. Hi and welcome to one and all lovely viewers present here. I am Avantika of grade 11 and a nominee for SPL. Before my speech, I would like to thank correspondent ma'am and respected teachers for their attention. It means a lot. My symbol is school building. I chose this symbol because school, it includes everything. That is school, that is studies, sports and arts, etc. etc. I chose this post as I wanted to serve in this prestigious school as a SP for the academic year 2020-23. As a leader, one should have vision, and I do have the same. That is to provide you approachable leadership when you are free to view your opinion and concern. I will try to contribute in such a way that I will be remembered as an outstanding role model to all my elders and youngers in this school. Hi viewers, my symbol is school building. Kindly vote for me.